Have you ever wondered why we have day and night? The answer lies in one of the most fundamental motions of our planet, Earth's rotation. Earth spins on its own axis, an imaginary line that runs from the North Pole to the South Pole. This axis is tilted at an angle of 23.5 degrees, and it takes about 24 hours for Earth to complete one full rotation. That single rotation gives us what we call a day. Now, imagine the sun shining on one side of a spinning globe. Only half of the Earth can be lit at any given moment. The side facing the sun receives light and warmth. That's daytime. Meanwhile, the other half, turned away from the sun, falls into darkness, and that's nighttime. As the Earth rotates from west to east, different places on its surface move into and out of sunlight. That's why we see the sun rise in the east and set in the west. And that's why when it's daytime in Asia, it's nighttime in the Americas. This movement is constant. At any moment, a location on Earth is either entering the sun's light, sunrise, or exiting it, sunset. This beautiful cycle repeats every single day, shaping our daily lives and natural rhythms. But there's more. Because Earth is tilted, the length of day and night changes throughout the year. When the northern hemisphere is tilted toward the sun, it gets longer days and shorter nights. That's summer. When it tilts away, nights become longer. That's winter. Around March and September, during the equinoxes, day and night are nearly equal all over the world. Things get even more interesting near the poles. In regions like the Arctic and Antarctic circles, the tilt of the Earth can cause the sun to stay above the horizon for days or even weeks, creating a phenomenon called the midnight sun. In the opposite season, the sun can disappear for days, resulting in polar night. All of this, day and night, time zones, seasons, sunrises and sunsets, is caused by one simple yet magnificent fact: Earth spins. So the next time you look up at the sky and see the sun rising or setting, remember, you're standing on a planet that's constantly moving, gracefully turning through space, giving us the rhythm of day and night, over and over, for billions of years. Have you ever wondered what day and night truly mean to life on Earth? These two opposing periods are actually essential halves of the same rhythm that sustains all living things. When sunlight reaches the Earth, daytime begins. The world awakens, life becomes active and vibrant. Sunlight is the key energy source that enables plants to perform photosynthesis, a process that produces oxygen and nutrients for countless species. During the day, most living creatures, including humans, engage in their primary activities: working, studying, feeding, moving, and interacting. Daylight also helps regulate our biological clock, keeping our minds alert and our bodies in sync. Furthermore, exposure to sunlight stimulates the production of serotonin, the happiness hormone, which boosts mood, reduces stress, and lowers the risk of depression. As the sun sets and darkness falls, night takes over. But rather than an end, it marks a crucial time for rest and renewal. In the absence of light, the body begins to produce melatonin, a hormone that promotes deep sleep, cellular repair, memory consolidation, and immune strength. For some creatures, like owls, bats, and insects such as mosquitoes, nighttime is when they truly thrive. This natural division of day and night activity helps maintain ecosystem balance, reducing competition and allowing biodiversity to flourish. In summary, daytime brings light, energy, and activity, while nighttime offers rest, recovery, and regeneration. The smooth and continuous cycle between day and night is nature's way of keeping life in harmony, a never-ending rhythm that quietly nurtures every living thing on this remarkable planet.